Okay, this is the unboxing of the Element Optics HELIX 6x24x50 first focal plane scope in emerald. So I purchased this about 2 days ago off Patrick Carley Firearms in Wexford, and very quick delivery here 2 days later, first thing in the morning, DBD. So yeah, exciting stuff. I'll just open this box here already just to see what I'm dealing with. I'll get that out of the way. I reckon the shop, and very securely packaged here. So this is just going to be basically another unboxing. Bear with me. Long way around. Probably should have got a better knife. So, yeah. Oh, not even sure what that is. Deer hunter. Open that in a second. That's an extra. I didn't order that, so 10 minutes. Not sure. Anyway, let's get to the main show here. I don't wreck in the box. Seen a couple of these online, so I'll turn it around so you can read it. So yeah, that's pretty much what you get. We'll open up in a second. Intrigued what that is. Oh, it's a cup. It's a deer hunter cup. So fair play. It's Patrick Carley Firearms in Wexford after giving me a free cup. It's pretty cool. I'll just show the top of this without banging the camera. So it's the Emerald one. $4.90 was the price, and that's APR2D reticle. Okay, let's see what we have here. Pop. Grand. Okay. So you get this nice foam topping. Cool Element sticker. Element Optics sticker. Put that on the cart. The gun safe. Silica packets. I always keep them for the ammo boxes just in case. Cloth wipe. 2 Allen screws, or Allen screws. Your manual with an outline there of your APR2D Emerald reticle. It's pretty cool. Get your little throw lever screw in piece. Your lens caps. They pop up, yeah. So I believe these go over the sunshade as well. The bottom one. Let's make sure this is all in the frame now. Yeah, it is. Just about, he says. You have your sunshade, decent size one, and then the scope itself. Just a bit of weight to it, alright. Grand. It comes in plastic band. Comes with bikini rubber caps at the end as well, which seem good quality. And you have your quality guarantee from Element to make sure it's gone through the valid checks and all. So there you have it. Various different turrets. Oh, they feel nice. Oh, they are nice. Yeah, they feel very positive and you can hear them very loud. I can see why you'd need a throw lever for this. It's quite stiff. It feels, I'll tell you what it feels like, and this might sound silly, but it feels expensive. Probably more expensive than it was. So it's $490 at the time of this, which is 2021, the end of March. Nice looking. I like when you purchase something and it feels as expensive as, or more expensive than you paid for it. It's a beautiful lens. Give your eye adjustment here. Cool. So that's pretty much it. More to follow. I'll do a review on this. I'm gonna plan on putting this on my RPR Ruger Precision Rifle rimfire. So I'm trying it at a 50 to 100 meter range. So we'll have a go and see how we get on with that. I'll let you know. It's an upgrade from a Nico Sterling, very basic scope I have. So it's been long overdue. And the plan is to get into a bit of PRS rimfire this year anyway. So hopefully this does the ticket. It's come highly reviewed from Precision Rifles Ireland YouTube page, and follow them on Instagram as well. And yeah, so like and subscribe and hit the bell notification if you'd like more sort of firearms and kind of unboxing and that kind of thing. I generally do motorcycles on my page, but this is obviously another hobby I have, and if you're into that, sure, let me know and I'll do more content on firearms and shooting sports in Ireland, if it's kind of the demand is there. So cool. Just to follow up, sorry, I meant to add there as well. It's the cup that Patrick Carley Firearms in Wexford gave me. Happy days. Nice little freebie. Thank you. Great customer service. Highly recommend it.